Alrighty, so we finished our very first tour of our first event. I knew I was gonna do that.
You'll see this all kind of connects. It's a little bit of a circle.
We come to cocktail hour. Gotcha.
We can have another bar out here.
Okay. Okay. This is where you and the guys would be. Now this is a nice bathroom.
Exactly.
Everyone has to be here to have like the whole makeup artist here or something.
Items that you're able to use.
Okay. Oh, and the bases. Those would be nice, like along. Nice. Oh, and this is the sound system. So this isn't part of the venue. This is just the apartment at another building that's nearby. Perfect for pictures after the ceremony. It's loud. Alrighty, y'all. So we finished our very first venue tour. It went pretty well, I would say. We liked the space. It was definitely giving the vibes that we're going for. This is a really good, solid choice for it to be our very first venue that we see. So I'm hopeful. We're hopeful for what we have coming up next. So we'll see y'all when we head to our next venue. Alrighty, y'all. So these birds are kind of loud, but we are we are at our second venue touring. Just pulled up, so we'll see what it's giving. Already, don't really like the outside area.
Yeah. I'm looking for parking spots.
Yeah. So far, it's not giving, but we'll see.
That's the front of your ceremony.
Okay.
Now, imagine the center aisle here. We're lined up across like this.
Mm-hmm.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha det som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken är ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i men när du säger att du vill ge mig en chans. Jag kan vara som bäst för att hitta
We are at our third venue during this whole venue tour situation. We're a little early. I'm excited about this place. The pictures look beautiful. The rate is really good, so we'll get inside and see what it's really offering. So, yeah,
It came with our questions, y'all.
a whole lot of questions. Got all the questions.
Yeah.
alla omkring mig. Kalla mig lucky one, för jag har någonting med dig. Någonting med dig. Alla omkring mig. Kalla mig lucky one, för jag har någonting med dig.
If nothing else, this bridal suite is giving what it needs to give. Oh my goodness, look.
Som bäst för att hitta balans.
All of these makeup stations. Oh, this is phenomenal. Check. Well, so far not a good impression. Homegirl, who is supposed to be showing us this venue, is great. I mean, we did get here super early. We got here like 25 minutes ahead of schedule. So we're just chilling. At this point, I'm about to give myself the rest of the tour. Like, we toured the bridal suite. It's real cute, real nice. Love it. Waiting to see what the rest of the venue looks like and get some details about what's included, what's not, etc., fees, all of that. But I'm hungry. So she needs to speed this up.
Give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run. Baby, let it slide.
We can bring in a beer package if you want. You know, there's Wi-Fi, there's a TV if there's sports on. Yesterday we set the corn pool afterwards out here. The guys were out there.
I choose to live my life, cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie, I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it
Cocktail hour finishes up. We can arrange the space however you like. So
I'm
you did
entitled to
that
some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it.
It's our first suite. Kind of a manly spot, but but there is a separate space here. And then all of this will be cleared out. It's usually storage.
Okay.
For a larger bridal party, we can drop the table down.
Can't you
Okay.
turn a blind eye? Let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide.
Yeah.
I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in a long run. Baby, let it slide.
Get 2 rooms as well as a private bathroom.
Oh, baby, let it slide.
All of this furniture, yeah, it's like if you weren't thinking to get ready here, but
You don't care what you're doing.
That's great.
artists will love you forever. For all the stuff of life.
Yeah.
This area too is really nice for
All the games that you play, you know the love you've forsaken, you don't
Okay.
let
we
it
can have some cocktails or
slip
herbs from
away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every
So we have ceremony in here, cocktail hour in this area, set up literally exactly how you see it. And then this is for 180. So
Okay.
you would just have a few less tables. But
you should cry an ocean for me. For the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for we.
Lovely.
Grab your pen.
Thank you.
All set. Enjoy.
Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. 'Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me. For the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for
Tasha and
we.
Ashley.
Tried to fight
Maybe it's
it,
something we can put our
but I'm
pictures in.
alone.